It's my pleasure now to welcome the host of the Welsh Music Prize. He's the second sexiest man in radio, and he's a true champion of Welsh talent. He is a legend, and we're delighted that he agreed to present the Welsh Music Prize. Now, like croeso cynnes, please give a very warm welcome from BBC Radio Wales to Adam Walton.
I do hope we have that recorded to my mum and dad. The winner of the inaugural 2011 Welsh Music Prize, enillydd Gwobyr Gerddoriaeth Gymraeg ydy Hotel Shampoo by Griff Rhys.
Thank you very much. I didn't expect to win, so I didn't prepare anything. And I'm wearing a suit because I'm going to a funeral afterwards. So, technically it's a memorial thing. What do you call that one? I shouldn't joke about it, innit? Everyone on the list deserves to win this. So, you know, they're all amazing records. So I'm really grateful for this. Thank you very much.
I think the range of nominations is testament to the strength of music being made. So it's quite amazing, you know, to have an award that celebrates it, and sometimes it's hard for an album to get recognition within Wales even outside Wales. So I think it's going to really help to have this, you know, in future, you know, hopefully it'll go on and on.
Sometimes I feel like we're a wee bit isolated in terms of, you know, in the past it was very kind of like rare that A&R men crossed the bridge. So kind of like, you know, I think, you know, over the last, 3 decades or so, we've discovered how to become a bit more self-sufficient, and it really is about that. You know, it's in this bit of serendipity, really. You know, I think as a country in the last month or so, just with the Rugby World Cup, people have felt as if they got their confidence back, and that, you know, it's sport, but it's a cultural. That's definitely like, you know, a totemic kind of cultural kind of like your bullet point, and it's the same with music. If you can actually feel more confident about, you know, your kind of your own culture, your own music, and where you come from, everything feeds into that. You know, it kind of you become kind of be able to sustain yourself a wee bit more, and that is a big confidence thing. So this award, you know, the inaugural year of this, is a massive part of feeding into that confidence and just saying, well, we can make our own judgments about our own music and our own culture.